Good morning, YouTube. I have some very important information for CNC Motors victims, and it's very time sensitive.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience. We've had quite an interesting experience with dealing with the CNC Motors and basically their downfall. There's a lot of people who are missing money or titles or all sorts of problems. So there's probably a couple hundred people that have been affected by this, and there's a very important deadline coming up that we're going to discuss right now. So I need your help to make sure that people who are victims of this situation are aware of this, because if they don't meet the deadlines, they're going to lose potentially lots of money. So this is extremely important that we get this message out there. So if you can please share this video with other people, or even if you can't share the video, just post about this topic on your Facebook, on your social media, whatever, so that people are aware that this is a problem, and if you don't act, you're going to lose money. You're going to be in a worse situation than you were already. Okay, so here's what's going on. So May 13th of last year was when CNC Motors officially stopped doing business. So California state law has a 1-year statute of limitations for people to file a claim with the Consumer Motor Vehicle Recovery Corporation. So it's cmvrc.org. That is extremely important, okay? That means that deadline is May 13th, 2022. That's coming up in a little over a month. Here's the thing. If you do not file, if you are a victim of CNC Motors and you do not file by May 13th, you are ineligible to get any money from the CMVRC. God, I wish they had a better acronym. I've been trying to get some more information about this, and here's what we do know. If you are a victim and your car was, if you didn't get the title or you didn't get money or whatever, you are potentially eligible to receive up to $35,000 to compensate you, okay? It's going to take a while, okay? Just to be clear, this situation was so big, it depleted the entire fund. They are currently recovering money as more cars are sold, and you know, basically each time a car is sold, they get some money that goes into this fund. So they're building it back up, and eventually everyone who claims will get paid, assuming that their claim is real. If you are thinking that you're going to file lawsuits or do any other sort of proceedings or whatever to get your money back, it probably isn't going to happen, and if it does, it's going to take a very, very long time. So basically, this is the quickest option to get some money back. Yes, it may not be all of the money. Like if your car was $100,000, I know $35,000 hurts bad, but that's $35,000 more than you had before. So take that as a small step in the right direction. Now that doesn't mean if you settle with this and get a claim that you somehow are ineligible for all the other stuff. That's not true. You are still eligible to do whatever you want to do. Other civil proceedings, lawsuits, whatever, that's still on you. You can still do all that stuff. That's still a thing. But this gets you some money now, okay? Now to add insult to injury, because there is a bankruptcy filing from Clay, you might not get anything if you don't do this. So chances are that you probably aren't one of the only 100 and whatever creditors that are listed on the bankruptcy filings. From what I understand, there are many hundreds of victims, and not that many people have actually filed with the CMVRC. So that means there's a huge discrepancy of people that are still owed potentially money and need to go sign up and put out their information and file a claim, okay? So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get these people to do what they can to get their money. So, I mean, look, this is your money. You're gonna get this back if you file a claim and you're eligible, okay? You will get it. It may take a long time, but you will someday get that money. I don't know about you, but $35,000 is a lot of money to me, so I would be signing up immediately. So please, please, if you are a victim and you are owed, go to cmvrc.org, submit a claim, and they will eventually get to you, okay? And if you are not a victim, please spread that link, cmvrc.org, and just say, hey, if you are a CNC Motors victim, you need to file a claim with the cmvrc.org now. You've only got till May 13th, okay? Very, very important. So a few quick clarifications. The CMVRC is not the DMV. It is an entirely separate organization. If you filed a claim with the DMV, it is not the same thing as filing a claim with the CMVRC. So those of you that have already said, oh, well, I've already filed with the DMV, I've already talked to the investigators and all that stuff, this is different. this is how you can actually get some money sooner rather than later. I mean, this is probably going to be the quickest way to get some money back. CMVRC.org. Please go submit your claim. I know I've said it like 18 times now, but it's that important. You have until May 13th. After that, you are ineligible. State law. It's not going to change. So go do it now. All right, guys, that's all I got. I just had to get this quick message out there because someone made me aware of it, that time was running out, and this is extremely important. And I just want to do what I can to help people who are victims, because I feel for you, okay? This is horrible. And so I just felt like this was a small thing that we could do. So anyway, there you go. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share this video. Please do that. That really does help out, get the word out there. But other than that, we'll be back to doing more car stuff. So we'll see you guys very soon.